leadership of the Chief Minister, we all have been working day and night. But the challenge starts now by being just zero. It is a good thing, but we have to put all our systems, capacities. We had a meeting also to see that we increase and further strengthen the virology lab testing and everything. So we are doing everything. पूण एकूच तुमच्या मिडियमांतल्यान हांव लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता ते झिरो जाले म्हणून ज्या तरेन लोक भावंक लागल्या इट इज द मोस्ट अनसेफ प्रॅक्टीस वॉट पीपल आर डुईंग वी हॅव टू कीप गोवा सेफ एंड यू हॅव टू बी सेफ एवरी सिटीजन हॅज टू बी सेफ corona there is no cure what we are doing is guidelines and a lot of people after getting negative also have become positive in Korea and many other places so my appeal to all of you is to tell the people of Goa please restrain your movements stay at home don't come out there is no cure for COVID-19 and even if there is no lockdown we have to quarantine ourselves and be safe and go out only if required and we are doing from the government side building the capacities and everything training of staff we are getting ready for the new ventilators that are coming so we are doing everything as a health ministry under the guidance of the Chief Minister to see that we have all our systems in place second thing is that Chief Minister has always been supportive to us in every aspect and we are very happy when it comes to zero but again I'm telling you now we will have new protocols in place new protocols have to be put in place with the seafarers coming in testing has to be properly done so all those work and all the like as we speak we were our team was there till 4 in the morning trying to see at the port everything is put in order so each and every aspect is being looked into
okay seafarers are the decision getters so how so as a health
माझे as a health minister माझे इतलेच आहा की whatever the protocol is laid down we have to follow that protocol strictly there's a standard operating procedure which is given by Ministry of Home Government of India so we need to see that we do follow that protocol is already laid down by Government of India we have to only implement it.
Well, as a health minister what are the more things that need to be strengthened or put down as far as this COVID-19 is concerned?
No, now the focus is totally on COVID-19 we want to see that everybody is on board we want to see that even private hospitals come on board we want to see that the private hospitals also work in tandem with the protocol that is set up with the government of Goa and also as you are aware Goa is the only state that we brought in various type of applications such as teleconsultation call doc which now government of Delhi is also using then we brought in test yourself and several other things and also protocols are from time to time are getting modified by from Delhi so we are following the guidelines that are being given to us and also another thing people wanted to know whether we had used some kits that we had received from rapid testing kits from Government of India. Not a single test kit for rapid testing kit has been used from Government of India. They are still and they are in the position of the government. We are not yet used them at all because we already had our testing kits at virology lab. We are using Molbio's kits. Molbio already has got a government order of more than 1 lakh of kits and Government of India is using it in a big way. We are also using it in a big way. And also we are now procuring another new machine, either Abbott's or Roche, one of the two machines we are planning to procure, which will give us about 1,500 to 2,000 COVID tests in a day, which we can do in the virology lab. So I have told Secretary, she is also discussing, I said, see whichever is the best, which is the best in the interest of the state, you decide and we take a call accordingly.
As far as other equipment is concerned, ventilators.
We are fine, ventilators will come in phases, we are training our staffs in the meanwhile and also we are doing each and every aspect to the T and we are ensuring that we protect the lives of the people of the state of Goa but with golden hands I would like to tell the people of the state of Goa please do not take your life for granted it is very precious for us as a government we want the people of Goa to be safe just because there is no lockdown just start moving around I've been seeing cars without passes moving around I've seen people break the law I've seen young youth actually break every law that is been put in place by the government. Ultimately, the loss is going to be the person who breaks the law. And ultimately, we are going to make Goa an unsafe place. So we need to see that we make Goa safe. Please follow the guidelines that are already laid down.
The survey that was done recently.
Already a discussion on already the survey, they're working on it. Also, whoever has to be tested based on a certain. Whenever you do a survey, there has to be a standard protocol after the results come. So I think the Chief Minister and the Cabinet, it was explained and the protocol also is being done by the Secretary of Health. Accordingly, the testing of these people will be done. So don't worry, we are keeping Goa safe. We are working 24/7 for the people. This government is working 24/7 for the people of the state of Goa. But people of Goa also must be responsible, must not come out. Come out only if you need to come out. Especially the appeal to the younger generation. You need to find activity within this lockdown. You need to keep yourself safe. Other day we found 2 boys came with a head injury in an accident, with a motorcycle accident. I mean, we don't want to lose our young generation to these type of things just because you come out during a lockdown or do some activity, do something constructive. We all find this lockdown is a challenge, but I appeal to all the parents to see that please see that you I think counseling and other things are very important for children at this stage. And not only that, we have to follow strict measures, government, and as we speak, official cases in India have already crossed 21,000. According to me, by May 3rd, we would have crossed 25,000. So understand that if it is officially 25,000, then the more number of cases, as a result of which people need to be more strict, abide by the law that is put in place, abide by the guidelines that the Chief Minister has announced, and same time don't break the lockdown.
Rapid testing will continue.
No, we are using no rapid testing kits. We are using Molbio real-time PCR kits, and the ones that we are getting from Government of India. Those are the different kits. Rapid testing we are not.
Sir, thermal gun distribution.
सगळे secretary is distributing as per the requirement whatever is there. आम्ही already 1,500 thermal guns order केल्या, 1000 पावल्या, 500 उपाच्या. जे किती गरज पडता सगळ्या गोष्टी जे PPE kits हे सगळ्या गोष्टी we are keeping a buffer stock up to June 30th.
Borders up to
किऑस्क बी घालता न्ही स्वॉब बी घेवपाक कित्याक सद्या तेणी सांगला स्वॉब घेवप जाय पूण हॉटस्पॉट एरिया जे बेळगांवच्यान येता तेजेर आमकां विचार आमी पत्र बरयला तेजेर आमी चर्चा करतले की खंयचे तरेचे टेस्ट थंय वापरूंक जाय सो वी वील फिगर इट आउट वी आर गोइंग टू हॅव 12 किऑस्क इन डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्टेट फॉर एक्सेसिंग इंडस्ट्री चालू जाल्या तेंचे स्वॉब घेवंक जाय अँड वी हॅव टू लर्न टू लिव विदीन कोविड बट विदीन सर्टन पॅरामीटर्स.
So a lot of people are coming from the other states.
No, but I don't think it is happening because now the borders are very strict and Chief Secretary has taken a very strict posture as far as not unless it's an emergency or anything, but then all the quarantine and all other
From the
facilities.
internal routes are there, sir.
I mean, already the Barela Chief Secretary is monitoring it with the police that not to allow. If you have any information, you should share it with him because we have taken a strict decision in the cabinet also today that nobody will be allowed to come into the state of Goa other than the freight vehicles and essential
So
commodities.
there is a saying from everybody that the health minister keeps on working, but is not to be seen for press briefings.
No, doesn't matter. No, my leader is briefing the media. I am briefing through my medium. I sometimes go online with in Goa. Sometimes I'm in line with Prudent. Somebody else calls me for something. So wherever health-related issue is there, industry-related, I do brief the media from time to time. And wherever it is already been decided by us that once a day the briefing will be given by the Chief Minister.
So
That
both
is
of you all are not to be seen together.
No, but we all don't need to. I am doing my field work on the ground. I brief the Chief Minister from time to time. Chief Minister will brief the media. See you. Bye bye.